what you know about multiples?
The multiples of any number are always greater than the number or equal to the number. It can't be smaller than the number.
Okay, anything else?
The smallest multiple of any number is number itself, and we can't determine the greatest factor of any number. And greatest multiple of any number.
Okay, anything else?
Multiple of a number is multiple of itself.
Okay.
The smallest multiple of the number is a small multiple of itself.
Okay, so today we learn better understand what is multiples and skip the counting to find the multiples. Then after that we will find the common multiples of two numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like you are telling multiple is a number what we get and we multiply that number by the any whole number. Okay, what is the whole number?
So all natural number together with zero are called whole number.
Yes, the whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3 is all the whole numbers. Okay, see here, the multiples are result we get when we multiply the number again and again. Suppose for multiple of 5 means a table generally, है ना? Multiple
yes.
of 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 3, 4 into 4 and 4 into 5. Okay,
yes,
in
sir.
this way,
yes,
4, 8, 12, 16 and 20, these all are the
multiple of 4.
Multiple of 4. Here, see here. Here skip now. We start always with 0 and keep getting 5. If you want to get the multiple of 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then multiple of 5
0,
will be
5,
10, 15,
5,
20.
10, 30, 25, 30.
Similarly, what will be the multiple of 3?
Sir, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 5, 15, 18. Sir, skip 3 times.
You know, if you will give on forever and it will the infinite multiples.
Yes, sir. So we can't determine the greatest multiple of any number.
Okay. Then we have to get the common multiples. Common multiples.
Yes, sir.
Suppose for 3 and 4. How we will get the common
Yes, sir.
multiples? For 3, it will be the 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. For multiple of 4
Yes, sir.
will be the 4, 8 and 12. So where is the common?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Where is the common? Common is here. 12 is the common.
Yes, sir. 12 is the common.
24 is the common.
So 24 is the common. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
yes, sir.
in this way we can get the common multiple also for the
yes,
two
sir.
numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. These are the summary. What is the multiples? The result of multiplying numbers means 6 multiples is 2 into 3.
Oh. Yes,
there
sir.
is an infinite multiple always. Suppose 5, 10, 20, 25. है ना?
Yes, sir.
We can keep counting also 6, 12 or 18.
Yes, sir.
Then common multiples we can get like we got na for 3 and 4. Common multiple.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then we can get the common multiple also. Let us do some practice. Sir. Just tell me what is the first multiple of 6? First 5 multiple of 6.
Sir, 6, 1, 6, 12, 6, 13, 6, 24, 30. Sir, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30.
Okay. What is the 3 common multiple of 2 and 5?
सर इसके लिए पहले हमको पूरे उसके मतलब मल्टीपल अब कहाँ तक लिख 10 तक लिखेंगे उसके बाद जो कॉमन करेंगे 20, 10, 20, 30.
Yes, good. What is the is it 2, 4, 45 is multiple of 9?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good.
Because 9 5 is 45.
Okay. देखिए, I am a number that multiple for both 4 and 6, and I am less than 30. What is I am?
I am 30.
Yes.
सही क्वेश्चन बोलना चाहते हैं कि मैं दोनों आई एम अ नंबर दैट इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ मैं कैसा नंबर हूँ जो कि 4 and 6 का मल्टीपल हूँ मैं 30 से कम हूँ मैं नंबर yes. मैं कौन सा नंबर हूँ
Yes, both means na common. We should get the common multiple. Okay.
Sir, answer is 12 and 24 because sir 4 6 is 24 and 6 4 is 24. A multiple of 4 and 6. 12 is also 4 3 are 12. 6 2 are 12. But they less than 30.
Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
these all points we have studied here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Multiple is the result of multiplying a number by whole numbers. Then skip count in
Yes,
easy
sir.
way to list the multiple. And the two different
Yes, sir.
number set of multiple, we count the common multiple. Okay, na? Multiple
Yes,
will
sir.
always go forever. There is no last
Yes, sir.
multiple. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any question?
No, sir. I cleared.
Okay.